Hello student. Chapter number 10, visualizing solid shapes. In that today we solve exercise 10.1. Okay. Now here match the following, in which three figures are given. In first one the objects are given. In second one side view of that objects are given, and here the top view of objects are given. Okay, just find out that one, which is the object, side view of that object and top view. Okay, in that first one, look, bottle, side view of bottle is given, this type of, and upper side means top view is look like that. Now a weight is given. What is the side view of that one? If we see it from this side, okay, it's look like that. Look here, so it's here. And top view, it's look like hexagon, okay, which is here. Look here, hexagon. So match that one. Okay, now let me show you like that. Okay, now a flask is given. Okay, now side view is it's same because that is cylindrical in shape. Okay, and top view is it's look like, sorry, that. Okay, now cup and saucer, from side view is look like this one shape, and from upper side we show here small circle and big circle, means two circles are there, like this one, third one. And container, okay, from side view it's look like this one. Okay, one rectangle and a top side. Okay, and from upper side one circle and square is there, like that. Okay, so just solve first question in your notebook. Now question number 2. Look here. Now here three views are given. Okay, three views of objects are given. We just find out which one is the front view, side view and top view. Okay, now look, just a minute. Look here, and almirahs means cupboard is given. Okay, now front view, here one mirror and handle is there, that is the front view, it's here. So for front view we write down F here. Okay, from side view there is a rectangle which is vertically, it's here, so that is side view. For side view we write down S. Okay, and top view is here, that is top view. Okay, now second one, look, one matchbox is given. Okay, look, now here side view is there. Okay, look the picture properly, so that is side view S, otherwise you just write down SV, side view, otherwise S. This one is front view. Look, small handle is there, means small paper is there here, same here, that is front view. And from top view the picture of fish is there. Okay, so that is top view. Now look the television properly. This one is front view, side view from this side. Okay, both of side is same, that is side view, and from top side is look like that, that is top view. Same for the car. Okay, look that car properly here. So that is front view, side view is look like that, and top view look like that. You know that properly. Okay, you know that very well. Now question number 3, same here. Some objects are given, you just identify the top view, front view and side view. First one, from front side is look it properly, two squares are there. in front side. So this one is front view. Here write down front view. Same in side view. So side view, that is S. And from top side, look it 1, 2 and 3 means if you look from top side, you just having 3 squares are in this condition. So that is top view. Okay. Same here from front side. Look 1, 2 and 3. We are having 3 squares. That is front view. From side view 1 and 2. 2 squares are there. So that is side view. And from top side 1, 2, 3 and 4. This type of shapes are. That is top view. Okay. Now try for the for C. Look from front side 3 and in middle side 1 means that one is your front side. From side 1, 2 and 3 means 3 views are there. That is your side view. And from top side 1 and 2 only 2 squares should be shown. Okay, so that is top side. Same for this one, front side. This one is front. Okay, this one is side view, and from top side this type of. Okay, now here front side we are having 1, 2 and 3. This type of fish means that is one. That is front side. From side view 1, 2 and left side is 3. This one means same look. That is side view. And from side, top side 1, 2 and right side, upper side means this type of shape is there. It's here. That is top view. Okay. Now question number 4. Look, here some objects are given. Okay. And you just draw front view, side view and top view of that one. Okay. First one is military tent is given. Now check it properly. That is triangle here and 2 roofs are given. Okay. So for first one, the front view is, okay, here front view. Front view is triangle, shape of triangle is there. Okay. And 1 is there. This type of front view is there. In a side view, look it properly. If you see from this side, we are having rectangle. Rectangle shape should be there. Okay. And from top view, we are having rectangle. But a partition at middle side is there. Means this type of should be there. Okay. Number 2, look table. Okay. This type of table is there. From front side, okay, means front view, it's look like that. Look. That is the front view. Okay. Same at side view, but size is smaller than this one because length and breadth are not equal. So it's look like that. Look. That is side view. And from top side, it's look in a rectangle form. Okay. Third one is, look, nut is there. Okay. From front side, it's look, okay, like that. Front view. It's like that. Okay. From side view, same shapes are there. Means we are having same figure. Okay. And from top side, it's look like hexagon. Means it's in hexagon form. And in middle side also one hexagon is there. Means look like that. Okay. Number 4, same here. Look, hexagon block is there. From front side the hexagon is there. Okay. So for fourth one, front view is like small hexagon. Okay, in a side view, look it from that side. Okay, one rectangle which is divided in three parts. It's look like that. Okay, and from top side, same look is there. That is like that. Okay, now dice is okay from front side. From all side is look like square because that is cube, but here the 3 points are there. So from front view one square is there and on that 3 points are there. Okay, now from side view it look like square, but that side a single point is there. And from top view, look here, 2 points are there. So one square with 2 points are there. Okay, now F. In F, solid is there. Okay, this type solid. From front view, look 1, 2 and 3. 3 squares look like that. Okay, so front view is look like that. Look, this type of shape should be there. Okay, from side view, if you look here, 1 here, 2 and 3 looks squares are there. It's look like that. Here. Okay, and from top side, top view, 1, 2 and 3 here, means in L shape 3 views are there. It's look like that. Clear? Okay, so these are the shapes from different views. Just complete question number 4 in your notebook and question number 1, 2 and 3 in your textbook. Okay, so here our exercise 10.1 is completed. Okay, thank you.